This is Dhanvir Sirpura from class 10C, and today we are going to perform a chemistry practical of displacement reaction. So we are going to perform displacement reaction of iron, that is Fe, and copper sulfate, that is CuSO4, which is also known as blue vitriol. So the materials required are a test tube filled with water, a spoon for mixing copper sulfate powder, and an uncoated, unpainted iron nail. So the equation is Fe, that is iron, which will be in solid form, plus CuSO4. Now we are going to make CuSO4 powder in water, so we will write it as aqueous, that is AQ, which will, now Fe will displace Cu in CuSO4, so it will result in FeSO4, which will again be mixed with water, so that will be in aqueous form, and plus we will have Cu, which will be in solid form and which will be coated over the iron nail. So now we begin with your reaction. There is a test tube, and I make some copper sulfate powder in it. Now I mix it.
Start.
So here we have our copper sulfate solution ready. Now we are going to put the uncoated, unpainted iron nail into it. Now we will mix it and wait for some time to reaction to happen. So while our reaction is still taking on place, let us take a note at what the color was and what it will be. So the CuSO4, the color was blue, and it is also known as blue vitriol. And now FeSO4 color will be green. So you will see green color when the reaction has taken place. Now that we have taken a note of the color, let us take a note of what the reaction will take place. So in the beginning of the reaction we had Fe and we had CuSO4 solution. Now when the reaction will have taken place, the Fe will in this displacement reaction, iron has displaced copper, which is another element, from copper sulfate solution, and hence the displaced copper gets deposited over the iron nail, due to which the iron nail turns slightly brown, and also the blue color of the copper sulfate solution fades. So now after 10 minutes, you can see that the blue color of the copper sulfate solution has faded. Now when we shrink it, you can see the copper sulfate. Now let me take this iron nail out of the test tube to see the copper deposited in it. So now I am taking this out. Now here you can see how the copper has been deposited on the iron nail. And for comparison, this was how the iron nail was before.